SHALONDA THURMOND with REALtor Talk, where we are keeping it real in real estate. Today, I come to talk to you and give you 2 minutes of words of wisdom on this Wednesday about 2 important factors that tie into you getting a pre-approval for your home: your credit score and your debt-to-income ratio. Your credit score is something that is based upon your payment history over the debt that you carry. And it can go up or down depending on how often you pay on time. A lot of times you read your credit score through Credit Karma, which is a good resource if you are looking to repair your credit. However, the results can be about 40 to 50 points difference versus what the financial managers or loan officers see at the lender company that you're being financed through. So it's always important that when you're looking to buy a house, it doesn't cost you anything to reach out to a lender. And if you don't know anyone, contact me. I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. They will give you the accurate information regarding your credit score when it comes to financing and being pre-approved for a home. The other factor, which is very important, is your debt to income ratio. What is that? That is the income that you carry or bring home versus the debt that you pay out. So most loans would like to see it at like a 30-70, meaning you keep 70% and only 30% is going out. But there are some today that will go all the way up to 40 and 45% outpaid on your debt. So now that you know these 2 important factors regarding getting a loan for a home, it's time to get started. I look forward to seeing you and talking to you soon. Bye-bye.